Warning: this video contains sensitive, serious, and powerful information. Do not attempt to do or perform anything that you hear in this video without consulting professional help and having safety guidelines intact. Do not attempt to do anything in this video if you have a weak mind or a high level of fear and high level of mental instability. Information in this video may appear to be very disturbing to some. Keep this video away from children. If any of the above information applies to you, stop this video now. Information in this video comes from 30 years of qualitative and quantitative research, experiences, and documentation from studies of the researcher through personal and psychological evaluations, experiences, and validated statistics. Death by suicide. According to Medical News Today, 2019, death by suicide is the 10th leading cause of death in the United States. Every year, 1 million adults report making a suicide attempt, according to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. Worldwide, 800,000 people die due to suicide every year, according to the World Health Organization. What if I tell you that you can commit suicide and still live? Yes, and still live.